Behold, feast your eyes on the elevators here at the Brickell West Apartments in Miami, Florida. Brickell. Oof, it's these are Otis Series 1s. But the elevator 1's out of service, so yeah. Sorry about that. Otis Series 1s, yeah. Or too many. Here comes. Let's go up to 15. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14. Yep, here are 15. Wow, look at that. Old railings. Eh, that's what I like it. Let's go look at the view. Yep, I can see the view from there. Look at all those other high rises over there. Down there is the lodge I used to film the elevators at. Yep, next to Brickell Village. Just love this view. It's over there. Yep, well, over there is construction of new buildings. Construction of a new apartment, yeah. Right over there is the other apartment, yeah. I can see the view of the suburbs from there as well. View of the suburbs of Miami. Shh, be quiet. I see many Otis fixtures everywhere. Like in everywhere in the United States, including Maryland and Virginia, and even Delaware, maybe. Oh, like the pipe. Like I said, elevator 1's out of order, yeah. Yeah. I don't know what's with the old Baileys on different floors, on the above floors, and the man, talk about it. Oh, here it comes. Wasn't it? Guess not. Look at it. It's damn controlling. Let's go back to lobby. Let's do our cabin. I like how old this cabin is. I mean, it is tall, right? Here's your certificate right there. Here's your phone. And the capacity is 2,500 pounds, right? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and lobby. Yep, that's
Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking here. If you want to watch more videos, click either one of them.